To the north, please note a large concrete structure. The structure was built as a freight car repair shed in 1919. Its overhead crane still exists, and the concrete pillars were once filled with glass block in order to flood the building with natural light. Later, this building was used to repair steam locomotives and tenders and acquired the nickname Tender Kitchen. Immediately beyond the 1919 structure is the museum's locomotive and railroad car restoration facility, completed in 2005. This red building houses state-of-the-art equipment to fully restore historic rolling stock and maintain our fleet of operating steam and diesel locomotives. Tours of this building are offered periodically. Please inquire about the schedule before you leave the museum today. Although much of the landscape has changed, some of West Baltimore looks as it did when it was developed in the early 1840s. Small row houses and towering church spires still cover most of the land. Irish immigrants who worked for the B&O Railroad occupied many of these small homes. Along the railroad tracks, warehouses still hold a strong presence. These industries serve as a testament to the growth of Baltimore businesses spurred by the B&O. The movement of freight to and from shipping, warehousing, and manufacturing centers has always been the most profitable enterprise in the railroad business. Many of the railroad cars located along the right-of-way are part of the museum's collection. These cars are representative of rolling stock found in many museums across the country. The museum's premier one-of-a-kind pieces are housed in the historic Roundhouse and North Passenger Car Shop.